Hey guys, it's Peter Miranda, and this is Beyond the Mix. Dapat matagal pa release ko eh. Actually, dapat mag-release pa ako. Dapat around September if I'm not mistaken. Pero nagkaroon ng slight issues with the releasing schedule. Kasi marami kaming release ng Cartier Street. But nagkaroon ng onting problem with the dates. So I had to move myself up front pa na imbes September, mag-release ako ng July. Around June ko siya na-start. Pero I had the concept na in my mind, siguro mga May pa lang. Pero yeah, I ended up landing on Tahana. Tahana has a lot of ups and downs for me kasi nagdadalawang isip ako kung siya ba yung pipiliin ko, yung kanta na ba to na pipiliin ko. Kasi lagi ako nagse-second doubt and hindi ako nag-fully commit into things, into anything actually. Lalo na when it comes to music. Pag hindi ko pinilit sarili ko into one song, I'd probably push it away and work on different songs. So feeling ko, Tahana became para siya yung naging purpose ko na kahit gusto ko pa na gumawa ng mas maraming songs, kailangan ko mag-focus dito sa kanta na to kasi ito yung pinili ko. It's a very basic song pero it has so much meaning. It's a great song, you know. I've put blood and sweat and tears. I'm just kidding. Maybe a couple of sweats, but I've put some work into it. I've put a lot of effort into it to proudly say na this is one of my best works yet, like hands down. Okay, so beat breakdown ng Tahana. Yun nga, katulad ng sinabi ko sa promo, Tahana is a very special beat kasi, you know, ano siya eh. Ewan ko, basta very special. Nag-start ako syempre sa favorite guitar loop. Nakakuha ko pala yung guitar loop ko sa secret sauce ko and I will never tell you guys where I get it. So yun, very, very basic guitar loop. Tapos dinagdagan natin ng drum pattern actually. If you can just open this. Tapos dinagdagan ko din ng sub-basses para lang magkaroon siya ng vibe or magkaroon siya ng depth, you know? Tapos sabi ko, parang kulang pa rin siya eh. So, dinagdagan ko siya ng piano para lang bumuo pa siya ng tunog. Parang bumuo pa yung tunog sa tenga. Parang gano'n. Di ba parang mas buo siya? So, after nun, gusto ko pa siya magkaroon ng depth. So, nilagyan ko siya ng synths all throughout the choruses para may bago lang siya madagdag per chorus. Hindi siya masyado rinig, pero kapag sinama mo siya sa buong chorus, para siyang iba tunog niya eh. Pakinggan niyo lang. Tas dito pala sa sa bridge, I wanted to switch things up. So nilagyan ko siya parang break para kung saan ako pwede mag-rap. Kinuha ko siyang, actually drum loop lang siya, kinuha ko siya sa internet. Ay, gago makita yung looper man. Okay lang. Drum loop lang siya, kinuha ko siya sa internet, tas binrake ko siya into pieces para siya yung magiging parang main drum kit ko going forward sa kanta. So, ganito siya nagpe-play. Tapos, dinagdag ko siya dun sa main song, main chorus, which is ganito. So yeah, and that is how the Tahana beat is made. So unang part ng kanta ko para siyang pasample ng chorus. Yun, very very basic lyrics lang naman siya. Hindi ko siya masyadong nilaliman kasi I want this song to be parang, what's the word? I can't find the word. Pag masyadong malalim yung ginamit mong words, masyadong malalim siya, if it makes sense. Masyado siya malalim, so hindi masyadong makaka-dive yung mga tao. So pag mag-light lang yung words mo, feeling ko mas makaka-relate yung tao. If it makes sense. Take time with me, FaceTime with me. Baby, kahit anong gusto mo, it's fine with me. Just to get things settled, ang inspiration ko para sa Tahana was ex-fling I had before. And she was so stuck na, I mean, I get her insecurities and all, but she was so stuck of me replacing her with another. So I had to constantly reassure her, which is no problem to me. So this song was kind of look back to what I was saying before. Parang sabi ko na, okay, ano bang gusto mo para ma-reassure kita? Like, do you wanna spend time with me? Do you wanna FaceTime with me? Sabi ko, kahit anong gusto mo, okay lang sa akin. Basta, ma-reassure yung feelings mo. Ma-reassure na sa'yo lang ako, if it makes sense. So it's so cringy, pero that's what I'm trying to say. Sa'yo lang ako, you don't have to.
Let me take you to my shows and make you feel chosen. Tell the world about you cause they need to know the motion.
Kasi, I vividly remember when I was talking to this ex-fling of mine, something was agitating her. Parang lagi may bumabalagbag, may
Baby, would you fight for me? Would you die?
lagi may bumabagabag sa kanya and hindi siya mapakali. Like, feeling niya it's her against the world. So, I had to constantly reassure her again. I even said na, you have to come with me lang lagi. Like, okay, I'll bring you to my shows. I'll make you feel na ikaw lang. I'll make you feel na ikaw pinaka-special na babae sa buong mundo.
Hey, you know I love like that. No need to worry about nobody, baby. I ain't like
It might sound mayabang, pero iba ako magmahal. Like, sinasabi ng mga tao, love bomber ako, pero di yun totoo. Iba lang talaga ako magmahal. I'm like that. Iba, I love like that. And I think it's an overlook na thing. I don't wanna sound very pick-me, pero I mean, na-overlook na sometimes kailangan mo i-withdraw sarili mo when loving someone. In our times right now, parang kailangan mo i-hold back sarili mo kasi you have to like, what's the word? You have to reserve some for yourself. Pero ako, feeling ko kasi if magmamahal ka, todo mo na. Like, fuck it, man. Just raw dog it and shit, you know? It's the same chorus as the first one, but I added naglagay ako ng bagong elements kasi natutunan ko from Charlie Puth na you have to add something new sa chorus. Like, you have to add something new palagi sa bagong chorus. I added a bunch of layers ulit sa boses ko and I feel like it gave a new dynamic. Parang mas naramdam mo siya sa second chorus compared sa pabitin na chorus sa umpisa.
Kayang-kaya ko saluhin kahit anong batuhin sa akin. Lahat tanongin sa akin.
When starting my music journey, I really wanted to be a rapper. Nasa-realize ko, damn, rapping isn't for me. So I kinda went into this like gray area na kilala ako as a rapper with some of my old songs. Tapos I'm trying to break into this like pop R&B scene. So nandun ako sa gitna, like somewhere in between those two. So hindi nila ma-distinguish ko ano ba talaga ako, rapper or pop R&B-ish singer. Kaya dito, sabi ko, wala kilala nila ako rapper, so might as well just do it, you know? Yun. Again, I just wanna reassure her na wala akong pupuntahan kasi nasa'yo ako eh. I'm with you. I'm with nobody else. You don't have to worry about nobody else because I'm with you. And I'm focused lang sa'yo. You don't have to worry. Andito ako sa piling mo. Hindi ako lalayo. Again, Tahana is a song about reassuring someone na don't have to worry na you'll go off somewhere and replace them. Kasi sila lang yung gusto mo eh. It's all about reassuring. And I feel like nasabi ko siya maayos through my song, Tahana. Yeah, so that's Tahana. Don't forget to stream it on all digital streaming platforms. Tahana. It's all caps. It's on all digital streaming platforms. Make sure you stream it, okay? Thank you for watching. This is Peter Miranda, and this has been Beyond the Mix. Tahana.